Good morning. Today I'll be doing the experiment for page replacement algorithm for the AOS lab, and this would be the seventh experiment. So let's get into it. So page replacement, as in we'll see about how actually the selection procedure is done. So when imagine a buffer. So in a buffer there'll be a fixed amount of space, and the files that are most recently accessed would be placed in the buffer for faster access. So page replacement is similar to that. So in that, so there are two methods here. One is the first in first out. That means as it says, when a page needs to be replaced, uh, it is put into the front of the queue. Uh, and the other one is least recently used. So in this, the least recently used page is replaced. So the page buffer can hold maybe, like in this example we can have taken around, like we can set the number of pages and the number of and the pages that we are accessing it, we are checking in the code. So for that, let's run the code. So I'll put in full screen. Yes. So in this, yes, there's a menu which selects FCFs or LRU, and in that we, yes, we enter the number of pages and the page number. That means just to store the sequence of pages in the um, buffer, and then we take in the pages and we replace it according to whether it is FCFS or LRU. So if it's FCFS, as I told, it is stored in the beginning. So let's run this. So we'll put one for FCFS. We'll put how many pages? We'll put like 4 pages. Okay, we'll put 5, 10, 15 and 20 page numbers, and we'll put 2 frames. So 2 frames are there. So as you can see, when 5 is entered, it is put in the first position, and the other one is empty. When 10 is input, 5 and the second frame has 10. A frame is basically the uh, temporary buffer memory that we're talking about. When 15 is put, the first page, that is 5, is replaced. And when 20 is put, 15 is there and 20 is replaced. Now I'll type LRU, that is least recently used. So total number of frames will put 2, total number of pages 4, value 5, 10, 15 and 20. So yeah, here you can see LRU 5 and -1, 5 and 10. Then when we input 15, 15, 5 repair 15 and 10, and then again 15 and 20. But this can like we can again, like if we input similar numbers, let's see that 2, 4, 5, 10, 5, 15. So as you can see, when we input it like this, 5 is actually saved because 5 is used more regularly, right? So this takes out that is used least regularly. What is used least regularly is taken out. So that is uh, page replacement algorithm. Thank you.